In the depth of the American rainforest, 7 of the same mammal are all fighting for their next meal. Within weeks, most of the species will be getting ready for migration season. Amongst colourful and exotic plants, you will find one of the most beautiful and long-beaked birds, the hummingbird. The hummingbird, which is one of the most colourful along with the parrot, is decorated in many different coloured feathers and is a well-known species for their flying backwards. Hummingbirds are omnivores. They eat tree sap, flower nectar, pollen and insects. They are extremely active, so they must eat 7 times a day. There are many different species of hummingbird. Of the 340 species, only 8 actually breed in the United States. Hummingbirds are critically endangered. Habitat loss and destruction are the hummingbird's main threats. Each species of hummingbird is currently listed as vulnerable or endangered on the IUCN Red List. They are all threatened due to habitat and destruction loss. Hummingbirds, small but mighty, are under very large threat of being eaten by other mammals, especially foxes. Hummingbirds are very colourful. The male ruby-throated hummingbird has a glowing, bright red throat. The blue-throated male has a dark blue-coloured throat that appears black in dim light. However, the female ruby and blue-throated hummingbirds are fairly colourless. Hummingbirds vary in weight. The smallest is the bee hummingbird, weighing 1.6 to 2 grams, though the heaviest is the violet soaring, weighing 9 to 12 grams. According to experts, a hummingbird can fly up to 60 miles per hour in a steep courtship dive, but only 25 to 40 miles are more common in a straight line. A well-known fact about hummingbirds is the Zunzincto and Zunzun hummingbirds. This species is only found in the Caribbean islands, the south of France, USA, and possibly on nearby islands. According to experts, hummingbirds lay 2 eggs every season. Females can lay up to 12 eggs in a lifetime. When hummingbirds sleep, they go into a hibernation-like state called torpor. This is a really deep sleep. Their metabolism will lower to 1/15 of normal. Their body temperature will then drop to the point of being hypothermic. It would be devastating to see these wonderful birds proceeding up the IUCN Red Lists. Let's try to ensure that this creature thrives and we stop cutting down too many trees to ensure that hummingbirds stay in our rainforests for thousands of years to come.